on their hands. Early this morning, a man was shot to death and 2 others were injured. It happened around 4 a.m. near the corner of West Broadway and Emerson Avenue North. An officer on patrol heard gunshots and found the victim in a parking lot.
Please just don't suffer, let's go.
Family and community members gathered for prayer and consoling as police were conducting their investigation this morning. This shooting comes just 2 days after the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension released the 2015 crime report that showed violent crime was up 7.6% last year. Now, community members on the north side of Minneapolis say enough is enough.
Don't let go.
He looked out for everybody. He didn't do anything for anybody.
Family members say Andre Riley was gunned down early Sunday morning. The 24-year-old leaves behind a fiance and a baby girl.
Don't kill an innocent person. My nephew don't deserve this. He
Getting
deserves a mom like this.
tired, and it seems like it's been going on for years. Don't you ever let go.
The scene is all too familiar for Riley's family.
This is the second homicide we got in our
No
family. Second one.
tonight.
They lost a teenager in a shooting on Penn and 18th last Monday.
We have to get it together.
Please just don't suffer, let's go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Oh my. Please just don't suffer, let go. Don't let go. Don't let go.
As the community prepares to say goodbye to one of 3 children shot in North Minneapolis, there is a push for more information to find the people who are responsible. 6-year-old Anaya Allen was shot while eating a Happy Meal in the backseat of her mother's car. She died just days later. 9-year-old Trinity Addison Smith was shot while playing on a trampoline. He too died from her injuries. 10-year-old LaDavion Garrett was shot while riding in a car with his parents, and he is fighting for his life right now.
I recently wrote a poem that I would like to share. It is called Nightlight. It is written by me. God came to visit me, made a palace inside my soul. Then he brought the children and said they will make you whole. They crept inside my heart and turned on every light, healing every part of me, placing me back in his sight. Little workers of God, who heals us in every way, draws us stick figure pictures to remind us we'll be okay. So when he calls one home, remember that little face, for they are working from the skies, guiding you throughout your race. while I was there, people would ask me, where you from? And I would say, I'm from Minnesota. And their eyes would do this thing where I could see the sadness creep in. And the first thing they would mention was George Floyd, followed by 1,000 questions regarding him and what is going on up here. Some would even apologize to me. And for a minute, I started to feel sorry for us as well. Then I said, wait a minute. Do they know who we are? Did y'all comprehend what we've done? Don't feel sorry for us. We are resilient. We are warriors. In the midst of us feeling defeated, shocked, saddened, we rose up. Together, we rose. We set our emotions aside and we fought for George. We had his back. We protested, joined together, created masterpieces, all while grieving. Do y'all know what we've done? I can't even name a cop that was charged for killing a black man. But we looked the system right in the eye and said, oh, y'all gonna pay for this. We made sure of it. We made sure it happened. Because they don't want war with us. We were united, determined, and we was with all the smoke. So don't feel sorry for us. We showed the world how mighty we are.
What a mighty God I serve.
Joy.
What a mighty God I serve.
Wake up everybody, no more sleeping in bed. No more backwards thinking, time for thinking ahead. The world has changed so very much from what it used to be. There is so much hatred, war and poverty. Wake up all you teachers, time to teach a new way. Maybe then they'll listen to what you have to say. Cause they're the ones who's coming up and the world is in their hands. So when you teach the children, teach them the very best you can. World won't get no better. Yeah. If you just let it be. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. For you and me. For you and me. For you and me, for you and me. Wake up all you doctors, make the old people well. They're the ones who suffer and catch all the hate.
I'm Desiree Davis, and someone just told me about Juneteenth, and I was like, okay, I'll come. I was like, you know what? Yeah, how about I come? How about I come? I don't come out these days anyway, so might as well. I just saw her painting over here, and I was like, can I paint too? So I'm just helping out. Oh my God. Grab the brush and went on.
Nice. Yeah. Hi, thank you.
Welcome.
Hi.
I'm Yomade, and I'm here with Free in Color, which is a local org in Brooklyn Park, and we just really focus on using creativity to heal. We have this really big art mural here, but we're trying to promote creativity, to promote identity, culture, etc. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
But they don't have so very long before the judgment day. So won't you make them happy before they pass away? Wake up all you builders, time to build.
Hello, my name is Kafaya. My business is Malal Customs. I've
My name is Q. I got a company called Homeboy Lashes. You can see. So eyelashes, of course, got, mink, short and long, colored. Also sell makeup too as well. Got a little bit of everything. Got some lip gloss, highlighter, eyebrow cream, lipstick. Just, whatever you might need to make sure you're looking good when you go out with your girls. Around Homeboy Lashes. You'll also find me on Facebook, Homeboy Lashes too as well. You'll find my website on those social media pages too. So, yeah, check me out. I sell everything between $8 and $12. So it's good quality and it's affordable.
My name is London. My business name is Lundy. What I do is I sell waist beads, customizable, free of charge. So I make my designs and then I ship them to Liberia in the factory and then they make it. Or sometimes I'll just pick up different waist beads from different countries. So right now the waist beads that we have on display, this is all from Ghana. These are from Liberia, and then I have more of these on the back. This is like something that you wear to like let's say you have a swimsuit, you can wear it for lingerie, and they're stretchy. These don't stretch. They're made with the traditional rope. These on the table have a clasp on them, and then I made some waist beads for Juneteenth. A little fist on there. So these are the Juneteenth inspired. These are glow in the dark waist beads. You can use waist beads for different reasons. Adorning your waist, manifestations, weight loss, celebratory reasons. And yeah, that's it. So I'm Lundy, the bead lady. Come check me out.
Hello everyone, this is your girl Crystal from Crystal Clothes. I got all the nice clothing from California. Come on!
Robertson. I am the CEO and artist. Unfortunately, my other business partners aren't here right now, but this is what we got going on today. Happy Juneteenth. We got Still I Rise, one of our first collections, Plant Seed, and then this is our latest collection, the TK Diamonds. And we're gonna be out here all day today. It's hot, but it's real hot. We're making it work. And we got umbrellas coming soon too.
The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. Just you and me. Everybody say the world won't get no better. The hood won't get no better. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. Just you and me. Just you and me. You and me, you and me. Say Maya.
The world won't get no better, and my hood won't get no better. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. You and me.
Talk to him, Luke.
Get no better. My hood won't
Talk to him, Dave.
The world won't get no better. My hood won't get no better.
Yeah.
The world won't get no better. You gotta change it, yo.
Yeah.
You and me, 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 you and me. You gotta change it, yo. 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 You gotta change. You gotta change. You gotta change. You gotta change.
Keep going.
You gotta change. You gotta change. You gotta change. You gotta change.
No music.
You gotta